Hey, to share location on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, first of all, you will have to open Google Maps. Next, you have to for sure enable your location, so you can click here and turn on location. And then click on the right upper corner, select location sharing, and now select new share. Then you can find here suggestions, but also you can find some other methods like with messages, Bluetooth, Gmail, some other apps that you have right here, or you can simply copy to the clipboard and send with any other application, like for example the WhatsApp and stuff like this. And before you actually start, you can also set your sharing time. At least you have to get 1 hour, but you can get manually like you want, or until you turn it off. That's how it looks. But as you can see, until you turn it off, it doesn't actually allow us to use these other extensions. So I will set for 12 hours. Click on the messages, for example, tap share, accept the permissions, click allow all the time, go back, click to turn on the location, and now send for any conversation that you want. And that's all. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos.